Focus on me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Tiffany or Texture Love, and today I have a really cool video for you guys. It is an unboxing of some very special products in a subscription box that I recently got. First things first though, if you have not already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that subscribe button, join the Texture Love crew. Remember that you can also follow me on Facebook at Texture Love Always and on Instagram at Texture Love 16. So you guys, I'm so excited to bring this video to you. I'm trying to be more consistent with my videos, and as you notice, I have a very bold list today. This is a beauty video. Once a week I want to bring you guys beauty videos because I'm trying to get into not just basic makeup and things a little bit more, and I think that you guys would enjoy that. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So this video is an unboxing of the Cocotique box. If you have been following me on Instagram, you've seen this box before, and I want to just go ahead and say right now, if you are not following me on Instagram at TextureLove16, go ahead and do that. I'm on there every day. I interact the most on that platform, so join the Texture Love crew here on YouTube, also on Instagram, because I'm always on Instagram. And if you follow me on Instagram at TextureLove16, you have seen this box. I get Cocotique boxes once a month. It's a subscription box, $25 plus free shipping. So that is very similar to Curl Box, but the difference is the Cocotique box will give you hair and beauty items together for $25 a month free shipping. You cannot beat that. So let's go ahead and get into this box, you guys. So the theme of this box is Red Carpet Ready, and when you flip it over, this is the card that they give you, and it tells you everything that's in the box. So basically, it is a Bodyworks takeover box because most of the items in here are from Bodyworks. I'm going to show you. And then there are a couple beauty items from other companies. So let me show you the Bodyworks products from this Cocotique Red Carpet Ready box. All right, so here we go. Item number one. So item number one in the box is this cleansing co-wash from Bodyworks. These are the 8 fluid ounce sizes. If you don't know, Bodyworks has really affordable, curly girl friendly, really clean ingredients in their products, and they're usually 16 ounces. So for this box, everything in here is like the 8 ounce size. So if you actually go to Sally Beauty, you would get like a 16 ounce size of this. I haven't seen 8 fluid ounce sizes except for in subscription boxes, excuse me. So this is the Bodyworks Coconut Shea Cleansing Co-Wash. I'm really excited. I've heard great things about this, but I've never tried it because I don't normally co-wash. But I have heard that this is awesome and very cleansing. So that's item number one. Item number two in the box is the Curl Defining Cream. So this is the Bodyworks Curl Defining Cream. Again, the 8 ounce. Really excited about this as well. This is one of my Holy Grail products. I know I haven't done like a Holy Grail product collection video on this channel, but I will link up in the cards or down below. I will link my favorites video where I talk about, this was like maybe 2 years ago on this channel when I first started. I talked about my favorite products. This was one of them. The Bodyworks Coconut Curl Defining Cream. The box are these 4 ounce sizes. So this is the leave-in conditioner from the Coconut Shea Bodyworks line. This is the natural styling elixir from the Coconut Shea line. 4 ounces. These are actually really good. I've tried the leave-in conditioner before. It has a lot of slip. I've never tried the styling elixir, so I am excited to do a video with these to do like a style for you guys, because I usually just use the leave-in conditioner and the curl defining cream, but with these products I could actually do a full wash day. And they sent one more thing. Oh yeah, one more Bodyworks item. It is the Natural Hair Balm. So I've heard really good things about this. So this is what it looks like. It is really like a hard butter, but I have heard that you can use this to lay edges. This is not their edge control, by the way. My edges are very fine, so it doesn't take a lot to lay them down. So I could probably use this balm to lay my edges, but this is also very good for doing twists. If you just want like a butter type product to seal your twists, this is really good for that. So those are all the Eden Body Works. Yep, those are all the Eden Body Works items. Now I'm going to show you the beauty items that are in the box. First item, there are 2 beauty items. This is the first one, Naturals of Acebulin. I will put all the information for these items in the description box. I try to be very detailed in my videos, so please check the description box for all of the items in this box and all of the details. Also check the description box for a link where you can sign up for Cocotique. It is $25 free shipping. You cannot beat that. I really have liked the boxes that I've gotten so far. Alright, Naturals of Acebulin. This is 100% Moroccan Rasoul clay, and it comes as a powder, just like that. So this would be awesome to use. You can mix it as a paste for a face mask, and I will be doing that. And that's probably something that I'm going to be sharing on Instagram. Another reason why you need to go ahead and just follow me on Instagram at TextureLove16. The last beauty item is the item that I am actually wearing. It is the Eben or EBIN. I'm not sure how you say this, but Eben of New York. It is their glossy lipstick, and the shade, it says 24-hour glossy stick. 24-hour glossy stick, Eben of New York. The shade is Puffy. So that's what it looks like. Yeah, so the shade says Puffy. It's what I'm wearing on my lips right now. It is a very creamy, it looks like that. It's a very, very creamy type of application. It's not matte at all. It is meant to be a gloss. I did look at stuff on this website. These are very affordable. Again, I'll put all the information in the description box down below. But yeah, Eben of New York, it is their creamy 24-hour gloss, lipstick gloss in the shade Puffy. So that is it for the entire Cocotique box. Yeah, here, I was looking for this card, guys. Sorry, that's why I wasn't looking at you right away just now. The red carpet ready box from Cocotique. It had all of these items in it, so let's just count that off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. So 7 items in this red carpet ready box, Cocotique, $25 free shipping. You cannot beat that, you guys. I have really liked the boxes so far. So that's it for this video. I'm trying to keep them short and sweet. Once a week I'll be doing beauty videos. The next video that you'll see from me will be a hair video with a demo and review. Trying to keep it consistent in 2019 and grow this channel. I appreciate all of you for your support. If you haven't already, go ahead, click that subscribe button. Join the Texture Love crew. Follow me on Instagram at TextureLove16 or Facebook at TextureLoveAlways. Thank you guys so much. Have a great